I'm lazy to make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine. I'm lazy to make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine.
I was born in '89, got the hustle in my mind. I'm a verse to be the baddest of the ladder I will climb. I was told the world is mine, heard it from Al Pacino. Spit lyrics from the mind, then I flip them like a kilo. Hold on, wait a minute, man, I feel them haters giving dirty looks. Mad cause I be the one that got the mother rappers shook. I make them cook like a turkey in the oven, and I'm knocking suckers out when they pushing, then they shove.
I'm never stopping till I'm a motherfucking hip-hop god. You niggas get slammed like hogs, I'm a red down hog. Born in the woods, nigga, so you know I'm a beast. New shark in the water and I'm looking for a feast. It's a new year, a new day, a new month, a new week. Feeling real legendary off this baby boss beat. This game needs a new face to look up to, and I'ma slaughter any nigga that wanna step up to.